In this video, we're going to give you an overview of the 7 main activities involved with your supplement business. There are 7 main component activities involved with your supplement business. The first is formulation, and that's really just deciding on which supplement and what are the ingredients of your supplement. Number 2 is the manufacturing of your supplement. Next is the packaging. Number 4 is the labeling and branding of your supplement. Marketing involves the promotion and sales. Number 6 is taking the customer orders and shipping them out. And finally, number 7, customer service, deals with order processing, answering customers' questions, and processing returns. Let's take a quick look at each of these 7 different activities. So in the formulation phase, you'll be working with medical and scientific staff to identify your particular supplement. Once you decide on your supplement, you'll have an ingredient list that contains all of the different components that make your supplement. Keep in mind that people like all natural products, and they also like to see that the components help them meet their daily requirements. In the manufacturing activity, you'll take your list of ingredients and have them fed into a computerized production system. From there, the manufacturing of your supplements will take place on an automated assembly line whose output is the final supplement, which could be in any number of different form factors. They might be capsules or pills. It could be a drinkable liquid. Maybe it's a patch that the end consumer is going to be wearing. Or it might even be a sublingual strip that they place under their tongue. Next is packaging your supplement for the end users. And there's a couple of things you want to keep in mind. You want the packaging to be not only pleasing to the eye, but easy for the user to open up and take. The packaging should also protect the supplement from any environmental damage, such as direct light, heat, or moisture. And finally, there are some regulatory requirements dealing with the proper labeling, such as the supplement info and ingredient list. Also, as you're thinking about your packaging of your supplements, you'll need to think about how it's being presented. Is it going to be in a bottle? Will it be a blister pack? Maybe it's a spray bottle? But also keep in mind the size, shape, and weight of your supplement, as you want to make sure it's easy and convenient for the end consumer. And lastly, you'll even get down to the fine details such as type of cap, whether it's childproof, color of the cap, what type of instruction sheet is inserted into the packaging. And then one last thing, package your supplements such that they meet a 30-day supply. The end consumers are used to this, and it will also help your business as your end consumers will continue to buy from you on a regular basis. Next is labeling your product. So first you'll work with graphic artists on a computer-generated mock-up of what your label should look like. Once your label design is complete, you can then have them printed out on adhesive rolls. At that point, it's simply a matter of peeling and sticking the labels onto the bottles or packaging. Later, as your business grows and demand increases, you can invest in a labeling machine to help you place the labels on the packaging. Marketing is one of those key activities in your supplement business. You'll begin with online marketing, and it could be something as simple as making blog posts on a regular basis. These blog posts can talk about your supplement and the conditions and problems that they help. You may also do email blasts, sending emails to targeted individuals that have subscribed to a supplement list. You want to get your own website where you can promote your own specific supplement. This website can have not only support your blog entries, but it could also support a one-click purchase, making sales from your website possible through a shopping cart mechanism. Social media is a great way to promote your supplement and your business. With the millions and millions of users on the different types of social media networks, it's a great avenue to share information. You'll also want to take advantage of something called pay-per-click. through affiliate networks. You may also have heard of this as cost per ad or cost per sale. We'll explain more in future videos. From an offline perspective, you may have a booth set up at a trade show or a fair where you can personally one-on-one meet with people that are interested in your particular supplement. Or you may just have your supplement sitting on a store shelf available for the general public. Lastly, as your business grows and thrives, you may have the resources to invest in some specialty type marketing. Perhaps you've seen some of these: the monster truck, the Red Bull car, or the Rockstar race car. In product fulfillment, you'll be processing customer orders and shipping them from inventory out to the customer. So one of the things you'll need to think about is, where are you going to store your inventory? Is it going to be in your garage? Maybe you've got a closet in a spare bedroom? Or perhaps as soon as you get large enough, you'll need to start paying for storage. Keep in mind you want the storage facility to protect your supplements from environmental damage, such as direct light, heat, and moisture. Next is shipping your supplements out to your end consumers. You'll need to consider the different types of carriers, whether it's UPS, FedEx, US Postal Service, and then also find out if they've got volume discounts for frequent shipments. But the bottom line here is getting your supplements out to your customers. From a customer service standpoint, you'll eventually want to have a call center that's operating either 24/7 or maybe just regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. The idea is to have a call agent available that can answer sales questions, take phone orders, and even process returns. So you've seen the 7 major activities involved with owning and operating your supplement business. Now I'm going to show you how you can save some time, and that will allow you to make more money. So in the conventional method we've just looked at, there are 7 main steps or activities that take place. And for each of these activities, you'll be spending 100% of your effort at any moment in time focused on that particular activity. But in reality, you'll be spending 100% of your time on all of these all at the same time, and so you don't really have enough time to dedicate yourself to performing all these tasks at once. So let's take a look at what the other way is. We use and always recommend outsourcing as a way to leverage your time and effort. You can spend half of your time or 50% of your effort managing the outsourcing, and the individuals that you outsource to will spend 100% of their time worried about the individual activities. Later on in this course, we'll show you how to get this implemented and how it can work for your benefit.